Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make YouTube shorts using AI in 2025 so that you can create high quality videos fast without expensive gears or editing skills. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the AI that we are going to use for our YouTube shorts is ChatGPT. So you need to come here on chatgpt.com and then log into your account. Now they have rolled out their new ChatGPT 5. So it is going to give you good output or good response. So over here, you need to simply type the prompt something like this, like write a 30-second YouTube short script about 3 quick fitness tips. Over here, you can tweak the text to match your style. So since I want to get the response for the fitness tip, I have written this prompt. Over here, it is going to give you the script that should look something like this. So you can use a free AI voice tool like 11 Labs or text to speech website. For example, let's say I go to 11 Labs. Over here, you need to create your free account. After that, in this type of box, you need to simply paste that particular script which ChatGPT gave us. After that, you need to simply select any of the voices over here and you need to basically convert this particular text into speech. You need to download the audio from here. After that, you can open any of the editing softwares like Canva, CapCut, or InVideo. For example, let's say I want to do it in Canva, so you can come here on canva.com and then log into your account. You will see the videos option over here, so you can click on the videos option, select the format like this. After that, you can simply upload the voiceovers that you have downloaded from 11 Labs. You can choose the vertical size as 19:16. After that, you can let the AI suggest the visuals, the captions, and the transitions. Make sure that the first 2 seconds have a bold hook text. You can enable the auto captions as well so that viewers can watch without sound. You can also download or export this video in HD format. So if you click on the download option over here, you need to make sure that the 1080p format is selected here. So this way you will be able to make the YouTube shorts with the help of AI in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.